saw a firework there. I'm looking at you. Oh! Oh no. Oh, they're happening over there now.
Stand on here. Stand on this thing and you can put your camera phone up and see the sky when they light up. Just move your phone like that real slow until one pops.
Dude,
If they're not popping, then you can go back and keep your phone up like that so you can look at the skyline. Can you see over the roof of the house?
Oh, I saw something.
You see the roof over the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw one over there.
And wherever they go, you can just follow them.
Dude.
There's gonna be a lot of them tonight. A lot. Let's look at this.
So,
Look at
like,
that one. What is that? That's a drone, huh?
So.
Oh no, brother. It was a firework. It is a firework. Wow. I thought that was a drone.
No, that is a drone.
It is, huh?
Yeah. Drone. A drone can go that high, not fireworks, because that one's moving. That's moving. It's a drone. Wait, what if a drone show is actually happening while fireworks are going off? That would be even crazier, right? Dude, this is why I love Holy! Dude! Gotta zoom in there. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, happy 4th of July, not first. Oh!
See them, baby?
Yeah, I see them. I'm like zooming in. I am so lucky. I am so lucky. Dude. This is like when the sky turns like every color, you know what's gonna happen. Like when nothing's popping. Oh! Ah! Dude, that was scary. That sounded like a real gunshot.
Like a bomb.
That was a bomb, not a firework.
Look at over there by the...
I am so lucky. I am so lucky. It looks like Domino's pizza. Dude. It looks like Domino's pizza. Because of the colors. Am I right? Look, I think that's a play on it. I'm going to zoom in on that so you all can see that. Yeah, right there. I think they're happening over here.
Go back to our stumps over there and see if we can.
Oh, I saw some over there.
Go over here and we can see on the stump.
I am so lucky.
No, we just wait.
I saw a firework right there. Did you see that tiny spark?
See all of them.
Dude, did you see that? I'm looking. Bro. What the flip is this drone doing? Run! Ah! Is that a fire? No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I think that's a fire. Oh no, I thought that was, oh no, a fire started. Dude. What in the fireworks? Dude. What the flip? Did you see that fireworks behind you? Dude. Look over here. This ain't a trash can. That's a leaf can. This ain't a trash can. That's a leaf and grass can. It's not funny how I said leaf and grass can, not a leaf, not a trash can. That's funny. Isn't today beautiful? Who's dancing? I heard someone dancing.
Oh no, there's some.
I know.
Firecrackers.
This doesn't even look like a firework, so. But if you have a good phone, then it would look like there. That doesn't even. Dude. I see fireworks over there. Happy birthday.
Looking out the window all over the place. You can see a long ways.
Bro, if someone lit fireworks over here, that would be crazy.
Yeah. See the drone?
Wait, do you see more drones?
It's right there. Look at, see the little light?
Oh, yeah. Oh!
It's a drone.
Did you see that?
It's a drone. They're looking, the drone is, because it's the police looking for illegal fireworks.
Oh.
Ones that are not supposed to be. So I guess you have to
We're
go
recording
look
on
where
a
they're
way up before.
You see the little firecrackers over there? Did you see them?
Yeah. I'm going to crack your phone. Boo.
Look around in the sky.
It's almost an hour, right? Oh yeah, that is a drone. Like, oh! Ah. That sounded like an illegal firework. That sounded illegal. Not gonna lie, that sounded. Oh! That sounded something illegal. Low key. Low key, that sounded.
Those are firecrackers. Those poppings you hear?
Oh yeah.
Those are firecrackers. Then you hear big ones go out like that, boom. Usually you see a little dot in there. That means, ooh, it's gonna be a big one.
Boom! It was big. Oh, I saw that one. Oh, no.
Okay, Mama, you're missing it.
I can't see it.
Oh, you want to come back over here? Come on. back to the stump. It's gonna start falling off.
Oh.
Keep your eye over here.
Pop, pop.
Do you see them way over there?
It ain't Christmas, boy. It ain't Christmas, so why are you lighting fireworks that look like it's making it Christmas? Ah. Crap. Cool. Dude, this is scary.
Ones you can see with all the lights, those are fireworks.
I saw a firework. You missed that one. Bow. Yeah. To my people who are in the USA, Happy New Year. Ah! Ow. Oh. I'm gonna sit down because my leg hurt. Ah! Oh! You ruined the colorful life for me. Sad face. I saw one right there. Behind you. You missed out. Wait, I seen them. I saw some.
See him?
Yeah.
What's wrong? You want to go inside now or what?
Oh.
It's everywhere. You just have to wait patiently. It's like catching a fish.
Look at mom. You can see that mountain from your. Oh, do you see that? Did you see that one? Crappy phone. Dude, this crappy phone.
Over there. I see two. Those are just the firecrackers.
Oh yeah.